Hi, this is Amy of Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm back with another paper crafting paper pack. This is a collection from Paper Crafts, which is a company that is for a specific craft store, hobby shop that I'm sure you can find out online if you don't already know where it's from. I don't promote any different types of companies on this website. I just want to share what I have bought myself. And I was really happy to come across these paper craft packs that are like very inexpensive. And if they're on sale, I think I got this for 40% off. My tip is pick them up, because if you can't, this is a lot of paper and a lot of items, a lot of materials, a lot of die cuts, stickers, and special gems that you can get for a real deep discount for a real cheap price. So if you're into paper crafting like I am, and you would like to be able to keep doing it and keep affording it, my tip is to look for as many clearance sale items that you can find, discounts. Obviously there's all kinds of ways, using coupons, looking for just any kind of sales you can find. I will go over this one. This is, I'm not sure that it had a specific name. I don't know if these actually have names, to tell you the truth. These are, I'll show you the back so you can get an idea what they look like. They're from the Paper Studio. Sorry, I think I said the Paper Crafts was the name of it, but it's called the Paper Studio. And it shows how in the back what you get inside the scrapbook papers. You get 5 designs, 2 each. You get a special kind of alphabet. Often it's, something totally like different that you wouldn't usually have. This is a really cool one because it's got script. Also, stickers, gems, and die cuts, which I will show you now. So just bear with me as I open up the items. First I want to show the pad of papers. Really cool paper. It's not very thick, okay? So it's probably thinner than most scrapbook papers are in other collections, but you're paying less, and it's still pretty good quality. So I wouldn't pass it up for that. I would still try to check it out. And you can always cut this down, make it into different sizes so that you have a variety of cuts for different types of projects, for cards, for tags, for envelopes, for all kinds of fun stuff. Here's some snowflakes, kind of interesting. Not really my style. I don't really like that, but hey, I'm honest on this channel as much as possible. Stripes, I like them. A little bit busy, but fun. There's some like green, pretty color green. I'm not really into the holly, but again, it's paper that you can use for a variety of things. So in addition to the paper, you get the stickers, which I'm probably not going to be able to take out of here easily, so I'll just show you from here. It is one-sided stickers. Very cute, like different little icons. You got snowman, a bear, so cute, and Santa Claus here. Tree is really cute. There's some gems, different colors, different traditional colors. Here's the alphabet. A lot of like it's like cursive, and you can it looks like you can connect the letters, which is always cool if you want to like make somebody's name. And you want to put somebody's name on like a stocking that you die cut, or one of these, if you want to put in one of these frames that's in the die cutting special die cutting bag here. That would be a good idea too. Oh, just ripped it apart. It's all right. So this is the, sorry for the extra noise. Just going to quickly show these die cuts. They come with this paper pack. So this one happens to have some frames. I know some of them have tags. I have quite a few of these because when I went to look for Christmas stuff, I found them and I was like, oh my goodness, you know, like I think I get them for like $3.99 a piece, so I bought several of them. So cute little frames. Okay, here's some special things like Santa, a cute little doggy on a sled. You got snowman. Here's some very cute, you know, like really nice sentiments. Okay, well, here's a bear. Oh my gosh, he's cute. Look at him with his scarf, his little hat. Okay, so here's like an ornament. Some more die cut. Sorry if I'm off screen here. Here's some more sentiments. Some balls or circle tags, flowers, banners. Okay, so you get the point. It's got like some really cute little things that you can use. Now, my tip is, oh, look at him. He's adorable. cute little penguin. My tip is to use up these type of things, okay? Put them on your crafts, put them on your cards, tags, whatever you have, because you know what, they make it easier for one thing, okay, and it's not as expensive maybe as going out and buying stuff to make your own, you know, like having your own machines, like die cutting machines. Die cutting machines can be expensive. If you don't have one yet, you may want to wait and try to figure out what kind of paper crafting you like, right? So there's all kinds of different things you can do with different paper crafts, and cutting out a lot of stamps and die cuts might not be your thing. I really enjoy it, but I have got tired of doing it after a while just because I don't have a lot of time lately. Got other things happening in my life and dealing with some chronic health issues, so I try very hard to find easier ways to make paper crafting more fun for me and make it still exciting and, you know, something I like to do. So I'm trying hard to like mix in easier ways of paper crafting. So this is, you know, a little bit shorter video, and I'm glad to show these things to you, and I want to show more things. So I'm going to be back soon with some stamps and washi tape and some other items that I'd like to share. Okay, so I hope to see you back, and please subscribe. Yay, that would make me really happy for Christmas. Thank you so much, and have a good week preparing. Bye now.